Let's face it, holding our phone all day is hard work. Many products try to help, but most of them are either bulky, obstructive, or simply not appealing. At Mako, we give it a makeover. Introducing Mako Wing. First, we work on the size. At 0.1 inches, Mako Wing is pocket-friendly and does not prevent wireless charging. To make it this thin and still durable, we chose to use premium stainless steel as the base material, even though it costs twice as much to make. It is also compatible with magnetic phone holders on the market. Mako Wing is designed for mobility. It comes with 2 slots for SIM, micro SD card, or ejector pin. Travel accessories we tend to forget, now safely tucked away with our phone. Staying connected has never been easier.
The most crowd-funded cable in the world is now ultra-fast. Introducing InCharge X, the world's only 100 watts keyring cable. Nowadays, we own many portable devices, but they often die at the worst times, and we need a bunch of bulky cables to charge them. That's why we developed InCharge X, a tiny, universal, ultra-fast keyring cable. Why universal? InCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices from any USB or USB-C power source. Unless you are rocking a Nokia 3310, we most likely got you covered. InCharge X supports charging and data transfer. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. But it doesn't stop there. InCharge X is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. Chances are your devices support fast charging, so why waste time with a slower cable? Thanks to our N52 magnet system, you can snap it on your keys, on your backpack, or wherever you prefer. You'll never find yourself without the right cable again. InCharge X is also available in a 5 feet long version. This is the tangle of cables we usually need. InCharge X Max replaces all of them. It supports 100 watts charging too, so you'll only need one cable to charge your laptop, your phone, and all of your devices. It's the ultimate home, car, office, and travel cable. Designed to last forever, InCharge X is made of an aluminum alloy with military-grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires reinforced with TPU and double-weaving nylon fiber. For an even increased durability, InCharge X has a protective cap. Back us today to get your InCharge X before anyone else, and at the lowest price it will ever be.